Hey, if you're in real estate, you know the deal, right? It's a competitive world out there. But what if success isn't just about grinding harder? Today, we're going to look at a totally different approach, one that redefines what a brokerage should really be doing for your career.
So this is the big question, isn't it? The one that keeps so many of us on that hamster wheel. What does it really take to build a career in this business that actually lasts? Is it just about having the most leads, or the slickest scripts, or the best commission split? Or is there something more to it?
And this slide? This just nails it. The idea here, coming from a brokerage called Find Homes Realty, is that your license is just the ticket to the game. The real key, the foundation for everything, is shifting from feeling like a solo act to having a genuine partner who's actually invested in you winning.
Okay, so let's dive into their core commitment, and it really boils down to this one simple promise: focusing on your long-term growth. This isn't about just churning through closings. Nope. It's about building a sustainable business with some real staying power.
I love this comparison because it is so spot on. On the left, you've got the transaction treadmill. So many agents know this feeling. It's a constant grind, deal after deal, and you feel like you're completely on your own. But look at the right. The FHR partnership model just flips that script. The focus shifts from the single deal to your sustainable business, with the brokerage making a deep investment in your skills.
So that sounds great in theory, but how does it actually work? Well, it all starts with people. The whole idea is that you are never flying solo because you have experienced, knowledgeable pros in your corner at every single step of the way.
And listen, this isn't some vague, we've got your back kind of support. This is tangible, hands-on help. We're talking about pre-listing support, where the broker might actually join you on a consult, or direct help writing a really complex offer, or navigating a tough negotiation. They even offer guidance on how to coach your clients from that first contract all the way to the closing table. You can even get a dedicated success coach. It's clear this is active, engaged support.
And if you're wondering where that support comes from, just look at this timeline. This isn't theory, it's decades of real-world experience. The principal broker, Cynthia Hash, started in the industry way back in 1981, and not just as an agent. She's been a title examiner, a team leader, and now a broker and owner. That is a massive amount of knowledge from every angle of the business that agents get to tap into directly.
Okay, so the people are incredible. But what about the tools? A great partner has to equip you for success, right? Well, FHR calls this your arsenal, and it's a set of resources designed to give you a serious competitive advantage from day one. First up, get this, 75 terabytes of cloud storage. Now, that number is huge, but what it really means for you is peace of mind. It's a secure digital foundation so you never have to worry about losing a critical document from any transaction ever again.
Now here's something that's just incredibly practical. Instead of starting from scratch every single time you hit a tricky negotiation, you have a whole library of pre-written contract clauses. This is a massive time saver, and it also helps reduce your risk because you're using proven, effective language.
And this is an absolute game changer for hitting the ground running. The Brokerage CRM comes preloaded with dozens of marketing campaigns. That means from day one, you can start nurturing leads and building your pipeline instead of spending weeks trying to create everything yourself from scratch.
This table just lays it all out so clearly. On one side, you've got the typical brokerage approach. A basic CRM you have to figure out yourself, no video content, you build your own document archive, and maybe some generic scripts. Then look at the Find Homes Realty side, an intelligent, preloaded CRM, a library of neighborhood videos, an extensive archive of HOA docs, and a master library of scripts for basically any scenario. It's the difference between being handed a box of parts and being handed the keys to a fine-tuned machine.
Okay, so you have the people, you have the tools, but how do you put it all together? This is where the blueprint comes in. It's a clear, structured path to make sure you can actually use everything effectively, right from the moment you start. And that blueprint is a simple, powerful three-step process. Step 1, they do the heavy lifting and get all your essential systems set up for you. Step 2, you dive into comprehensive training to really build those core buyer and listing skills. And Step 3, you work together to create a real, clear, achievable business plan. It's an intentional path designed to make you productive fast.
All right, so this is where it all comes together. We've seen the support, the tools, and the training plan, but what's the result? I mean, what's the actual proof that this partnership model really works?
Well, this chart tells a huge part of the story.
Agent longevity at FHR is significantly higher than the industry average. You know, in an industry that's famous for high turnover, they have agents who have been building their careers with the team since it was formed way back in 2014. That just speaks volumes.
And here is the ultimate proof. $14 million. Now listen, that's not a team total. That's the sales volume of a single agent that they've helped grow within their system. Wow, that just shows you what's possible when an agent is truly supported and equipped for success.
Ultimately, it all comes back to this one core philosophy. We are genuinely invested in helping you build a successful business through unwavering support and superior resources. I mean, that really says it all, doesn't it? It perfectly wraps up everything we've just walked through.
And that really leaves us with one final question for any agent watching this. Are you focused on just closing the next deal, or are you ready to actually build a career? It's a powerful distinction, and as we've seen, it might just be the key to the lasting success you're looking for. Thanks for joining me for this explainer.